Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You should save any open work and close applications before you begin, because safe mode loads minimal drivers and may not preserve unsaved data. Once done, disconnect USB drives and non-essential peripherals to avoid driver conflicts. Now restart the computer and, as it boots, press F8 repeatedly to open the Advanced Boot Options menu. This key triggers Windows 7 to pause the normal boot and present recovery and troubleshooting choices, so you can pick a safe startup environment. Once the advanced boot options appear, you must decide which safe mode to use. Plain safe mode for basic troubleshooting, safe mode with networking if you need internet, or safe mode with command prompt for advanced fixes. Make your selection using the keyboard arrow keys and press enter to boot that mode. This minimal environment prevents third-party drivers from loading, so you can remove problematic software or drivers. If F8 didn't work, try boot media or the system repair options to reach the same tools. After safe mode loads, sign in with an administrative account so you can uninstall drivers, run virus scans, or perform a system restore. Those actions fix common boot issues because they remove or reverse changes that break normal startup. When finished, restart normally to test whether the problem is resolved. If safe mode itself fails to boot, try last known good configuration, check for hardware faults, or use the Windows repair/installation media to repair startup. These steps address deeper.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.